In the dynamic world of firearms, the quest for the perfect semi-automatic shotgun is an ever-evolving journey. Whether you're a seasoned hunter tracking game through dense forests, a competitive shooter aiming for the top spot, or a firearms enthusiast appreciating the latest in shotgun technology, the allure of the top 5 semi-auto shotguns of 2024 is irresistible. Get ready to be captivated by a lineup that promises to enhance your shooting experience, redefine precision, and set new benchmarks in the world of shotguns. 5. The Franchi Affinity. 3. Sporting is a shotgun that seamlessly blends Italian craftsmanship with practical functionality, making it a standout choice for clay shooters and hunting enthusiasts alike. One of its most notable features is the inertia-driven system, which ensures reliable cycling of shells with minimal maintenance, a crucial factor for shooters who spend long hours in the field or at the range. This system, combined with the Affinity 3 Sporting's balanced weight distribution, results in a shotgun that is remarkably easy to handle and shoot, providing a smooth shooting experience with reduced felt recoil. The shotgun's 30-inch barrel is optimal for a wide range of shooting activities, offering excellent accuracy and consistency, essential for hitting those challenging clays or for precise shooting in hunting scenarios. Aesthetically, the Affinity 3 Sporting exudes a classic elegance with its sleek lines and high-quality finish, which is not only visually appealing, but also provides added durability against the elements. The shotgun features an A-grade sateen walnut stock and forend, which not only enhance its appearance, but also provide a comfortable and secure grip. The attention to ergonomic design is evident in the stock's customizable drop and cast, allowing shooters to adjust the gun to their specific shooting style and physique, thereby enhancing overall performance and comfort. Additionally, the inclusion of extended chokes adds versatility, making it suitable for various shooting disciplines. Overall, the Franchi Affinity 3 Sporting is a well-rounded, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing shotgun that offers excellent value and performance for both competitive shooters and hunting aficionados. 4. Weatherby SA-08 Deluxe. The Weatherby SA-08 Deluxe is a semi-automatic shotgun that has earned a solid reputation for its reliability, elegance, and versatility. This model is particularly noted for its dependable dual-valve gas-operated system, which enables shooters to effortlessly switch between different loads, from light target loads to heavier waterfowl loads, without compromising on performance. This adaptability makes the SA-08 Deluxe an ideal choice for a variety of shooting activities, be it upland game hunting, waterfowling, or casual clay pigeon shooting. The gun's reliability is further enhanced by its well-built and durable design, capable of withstanding the rigors of regular use in diverse environments. Additionally, the shotgun offers a smooth cycling action and a comfortable recoil response, which are key factors contributing to its popularity among both seasoned shooters and beginners. Aesthetically, the Weatherby SA-08 Deluxe exudes a classic charm that appeals to shotgun enthusiasts who appreciate traditional styling. The high-gloss walnut stock and forend, coupled with a blued steel finish, give the shotgun an elegant and timeless look. The attention to detail in the craftsmanship is evident, and the fine checkering on the stock not only adds to its visual appeal, but also provides a firm grip in various weather conditions. Ergonomically, the shotgun is well-balanced and easy to handle, making it suitable for extended shooting sessions without causing undue fatigue. Its user-friendly features, such as the easily accessible crossbolt safety and the dropout trigger assembly for easy cleaning, add to its practicality. 3. Mossberg 940 Turkey Pro.
The Mossberg 940 Turkey Pro is a semi-automatic shotgun that has quickly garnered attention in the hunting community for its specialized features and reliable performance, particularly in turkey hunting scenarios. Engineered with a focus on functionality in the field, the 940 Turkey Pro boasts an advanced gas system that ensures smooth and consistent cycling of shells, even in demanding conditions. This is crucial for hunters who need their shotgun to perform flawlessly when it matters most. The shotgun's oversized controls, including the bolt release and charging handle, are a thoughtful addition, allowing for easy operation even with gloved hands. Additionally, the shotgun is equipped with a fiber optic front sight and an adjustable rear sight, making target acquisition quick and precise, a critical aspect when tracking elusive turkeys.
From an ergonomic standpoint, the Mossberg 940 Turkey Pro excels. It features a stock with adjustable length of pull, drop, and cast, enabling shooters to customize the fit to their personal preference, thereby enhancing shooting accuracy and comfort. The shotgun also sports Mossberg's signature top-mounted safety, a feature that is appreciated by both right and left-handed shooters for its accessibility and ease of use. Aesthetically, the Mossberg 940 Turkey Pro stands out with its mossy oak green leaf camouflage pattern, not only giving it a rugged and appealing look, but also providing essential concealment in the wild. Moreover, its barrel is optimized for turkey loads, and the inclusion of an extended X-Factor ported turkey choke further improves pattern performance. All these features combined make the Mossberg 940 Turkey Pro an exceptional shotgun for turkey hunters seeking reliability, customization, and performance in their hunting equipment. 2. CZ712G3. The CZ712G3 is a semi-automatic shotgun that has made a name for itself in the world of shooting sports and hunting due to its robust build and versatile performance. Known for its reliability, the 712G3 operates on a gas-operated system that effectively manages recoil, making it comfortable for extended shooting sessions, whether at the range or in the field. This system also ensures smooth cycling of a wide range of shotgun shell loads, from light target loads to heavier hunting loads, providing flexibility for various shooting disciplines. One of the standout features of the CZ712G3 is its versatility. It is equally at home on the clay range as it is in the hunting blind, making it a great all-rounder shotgun for enthusiasts who engage in both activities. From an ergonomic perspective, the CZ712G3 is thoughtfully designed. It features a well-contoured, durable synthetic stock that provides a firm, comfortable grip in different weather conditions. This is particularly beneficial for hunters who might find themselves in wet or muddy environments. The adjustability of the stock in terms of length of pull, facilitated by interchangeable recoil pads, allows shooters of various sizes and preferences to achieve a custom fit, enhancing overall shooting comfort and accuracy. Aesthetically, the shotgun has a practical, no-nonsense appearance, focusing more on functionality than frills, which is typical of CZ's approach to firearms design. The easy-to-operate controls, combined with a simple, clean barrel and receiver design, make the 712G3 a reliable, user-friendly option for those seeking a dependable shotgun without the high-end price tag. 1. Stoger M3000. The Stoger M3000 is a semi-automatic shotgun that has solidified its position in the market as a reliable, affordable option for both hunting and shooting sports. Utilizing the proven inertia-driven system, the M3000 delivers consistent and dependable performance, particularly noteworthy given its price point. This system not only ensures smooth cycling of a wide range of shotgun shells, but also contributes to the shotgun's ease of maintenance and durability. The M3000's ability to handle everything from light target loads to heavier field loads makes it a versatile choice for shooters participating in various disciplines, from clay shooting to waterfowl and upland game hunting. Furthermore, its solid construction and straightforward design add to its appeal for those who need a rugged and reliable shotgun for regular use. Ergonomically, the Stoger M3000 is designed with practicality in mind. The shotgun features a comfortable stock and forend, which provide a secure grip and improve the overall handling of the gun. This is particularly important in hunting scenarios where quick and steady handling can make the difference in a successful hunt. The shotgun's balance and moderate weight contribute to its manageable recoil, making it a suitable option for shooters of all experience levels, including those new to semi-automatic shotguns. Aesthetically, the M3000 has a functional no-frills appearance, which aligns with its reputation as a workhorse shotgun. It often comes in various finishes, including camouflage patterns, enhancing its utility in different hunting environments. Overall, the Stoger M3000 stands out as a cost-effective, reliable shotgun choice for those who value performance and durability without the need for excessive embellishments.